A very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, File Management and Data Organization Part 2. Today's topic is creating a folder, moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another drive, moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices, searching a file or folder. So let us read one by one, children. Let us learn how to create a folder. Step 1. Right click on the desktop. A menu appears on the screen. You are able to see the menu, children. Step 2. Click on New option. As soon as you click step 2, a submenu appears on the screen, children. Step 3. Click on the folder option which is visible on the screen. Step 4. Enter your name on the folder, either unit 1 or unit 2 according to your folder name. Okay, children. So a new folder is created on desktop. Moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another, which means shifting its original location to another location, children. As you can observe the screen, some drives are there here: C drive, D drive, E drive and I drive. C drive contains local disk files that are softwares which are installed in our system. Del drives are the system drives, and E drive contains files, children. And the I drive is the removable disk which we inserted to the system. Children, click on the E drive. So when you are clicking the E drive, step 1, you can observe some files appeared on the screen. Step 2, select one file you want to copy. Okay. Here one thing you should observe, children. In the organize menu, move to and copy to, two options are visible on the screen. They will not get highlighted, means you can observe the color of the two, children. They will not turn into yellow color until the file is been selected. Okay. If the file is selected only, the copy to or move to will be appeared on the home screen. Okay. So click copy option. Step 3. Click on the desired destination and click paste option. Moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. Step 1. You should insert a pen drive to your computer, children. As you can see the image, when you inserted your pen drive to your system, okay, you can see the image on the screen. Removable disk, step 1, pen drive is there. That symbol will be appeared on the screen. Sony, it's the company of the pen drive, children. So what company pen drive you are using or removable disk or device you are using, that symbol will be appeared on your screen. Okay. The drive that is mentioned would be as per your system, means it may be D drive or F drive or I drive. As you can see here, I drive is mentioned. Okay, children. So what you will do is step 1, insert your pen drive. Step 2, you can see here in textbook what they gave. Select start menu. Okay, either through start menu you can select your Windows Explorer, or below the taskbar you can see the image children. You can click directly Windows Explorer or File Explorer. Okay children. Step 3. Select the file or folder that you want to move to the pen drive children. Right click on the file or folder. As soon as you click right click, a submenu is appeared on the screen. So step 4, click copy option. Step 5, click on the pen drive. Right click on the empty space. As soon as you click on the pen drive folder will be appeared on the screen. Step 6, right click on the screen, click paste option. Okay children. As soon as you selected the paste option, you can see the image on the screen children. The file which you are selected will be transferred from OneDrive to your pen drive children. As soon as 100% is completed, your file is being pasted on your pen drive. Okay children, by this you learned how to move or copy a file or folder between storage devices. Okay children. Searching a file or folder. Windows have number of ways to find files and folders children. Search boxes offers the most direct way to locate your file. So click on the start button. You can see observe your screen children. You will find the search box located at the bottom of the left panel. Type either a part of the file or folder name. As soon as you type the items that are appeared on your screen, the files will be appeared on the screen. Select the desired file and open your new window. Task of the day children. Read from the textbook how to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another. Thank you children. Have a nice day.